Good evening, everyone. Thank you very much for inviting me here this evening. It's great to see the Royal Society embracing open access as it has done for a number of years. And I was just thinking what I was going to say, and it struck me how fast the open access publishing world has changed. When we, the Wellcome Trust, launched our policy requiring our research to be made open access back in 2005, it was a relatively scary landscape for our researchers because there wasn't a huge amount of open access publishing available. BMC were going and PLOS had just launched. There wasn't a huge amount of publishing, open access publishing going on. I think that's changed massively, and open access is becoming far more mainstream. And I had a quick look today at the Wellcome Trust research, which finds its way into our repository, something called UK PubMed Central. And over 90% of the content which gets there from Wellcome gets there through the open access publishing route, either through the pure open access publishers, like Open Biology will be, and PLOS, and also the hybrid, which the Royal Society have also championed. And it strikes me how much has moved on, and you know, much tribute must be paid to the work of people like PLOS. I looked again at their figures, and in 2010 they published like 6,700 articles. In 2011 they are scheduled to publish 14,000. So they really are changing the landscape, and obviously your journal is aimed at a much more selective process. But even so, it's just adding to the volume of content online and freely available. And actually this afternoon I just came back from a meeting organised, set up by David Willits, looking at how transparency to research outputs can be made more open. And it's interesting, you know, it's good to see that actually government are also now taking an active interest. And of course, I can't really stand here and not mention that even the Wellcome Trust is now getting interested in publishing, and we're going to try and compete with you. We've got our partners Howard Hughes and Max Planck, and back this time next year we hope to launch our open access journal. So let me just conclude by thanking you for inviting me again, and to wish you all the very best. And I'm delighted that the very first article in your new journal was Wellcome Trust funded. So thank you and good luck.